SEALSQ is set to splash with even more force as it keeps expanding from a provider of secure microcontrollers and public key infrastructure into an architect of vertically integrated, quantum-resilient trust infrastructure. Its roadmap now spans post-quantum cryptography, PQC, semiconductor security, quantum computing protection, robotics, satellite systems, and what management describes as physical AI, autonomous systems operating securely in the real world. At the core of this expansion is SEALSQ's launch of quantum-resilient cybersecurity solutions, tailored specifically for quantum computing systems and infrastructure. It introduced 4 integrated modules that collectively secure the entire quantum stack. The first establishes a hardware root of trust using secure elements and TPM technologies to authenticate quantum processors and cryogenic controllers, enable secure boot, validate firmware, and ensure tamper-resistant monitoring. The second deploys NIST-standardized PQC algorithms, including Crystal's Kyber and Crystal's dilithium, to protect communications and data flows within quantum environments. The third module embeds secure ASIC architectures and PQC-enabled qubit readout systems directly into quantum control electronics, while the fourth secures quantum computing as a service, QCAAS, platforms through authenticated access control and encrypted communications. Rather than layering software defenses on top of existing systems, SEALSQ is embedding cryptographic trust anchors directly into silicon. CEO Carlos Moreira has repeatedly emphasized that quantum computing will redefine cybersecurity risk, requiring quantum-resistant protections to be foundational rather than reactive. SEALSQ notes that its security technologies already protect more than 1.7 billion devices globally, providing a large installed base for PQC migration. This technical evolution coincides with accelerating financial momentum. Preliminary 2025 revenue reached $18 million, a 66% year-over-year increase, with fourth-quarter revenue doubling to $8 million. SEALSQ expects first-quarter 2026 revenue to exceed $4 million, representing more than 100% growth year-over-year, and has reaffirmed full-year 2026 growth guidance of 50 to 100%. It ended 2025 with more than $425 million in cash and maintains more cash than debt, supporting its capital-intensive expansion. An active pipeline exceeding $200 million in opportunities through 2028, including over $60 million tied to its QS7001 and QVault TPM programs, provides additional forward visibility. When talking about physical AI, SEALSQ sees a future where robotics, mobility systems, industrial automation, and defense platforms interact autonomously with the physical world, declaring that identity, trust, and data integrity must be embedded at the hardware layer and hardened against future quantum threats. To demonstrate this, it showcased WISE Robot at the World Economic Forum in Davos in collaboration with its parent, WISE Key International Holding Limited. The robot was provisioned at manufacturing with a hardware-protected cryptographic identity, enabling trusted boot, authenticated firmware updates, and secure machine-to-machine communication, a proof of concept for quantum-ready robotics in sensitive sectors. Complementing device-level trust, SEALSQ introduced SealCoin AI, a transactional orchestration layer designed to enable secure AI-to-AI economic interactions. Built on hardware-rooted identity and PQC, it extends cryptographic trust from authentication into decentralized, machine-to-machine value exchange, including over satellite infrastructure. It also launched its Quantum Highway platform, initially piloted as a quantum corridor linking Spain, France, and Switzerland, and later expanded to India, the United States, South Korea, and the UAE. Anchored in a hardware root key embedded in secure silicon, the platform manages device identity and lifecycle from manufacturing through decommissioning, tying together semiconductors, ASICs, PQC stacks, and quantum systems. To keep its vertical integration strategy going, SEALSQ acquired ICALPS in France to strengthen ASIC design capabilities and invested in quantum ventures, including EeroQ in the United States, Colibri TD in France, and Quantix Edges in Spain. Through its $100 million quantum investment fund, it has deployed capital to integrate security layers directly into emerging quantum hardware ecosystems. In India, it signed agreements with the government of Gujarat and Kaynes Semicon to establish sovereign PQC-enabled semiconductor manufacturing, targeting annual production capacity of up to 300 million secure chips. In France, it plans to invest an additional $200 million by the end of 2026 to expand semiconductor R&D and quantum-ready chip design. SEALSQ also deepened its ecosystem reach through partnerships such as integrating TPM-based PQC capabilities into FPGA platforms with Lattice Semiconductor and embedding post-quantum chips into WISE-SAT low Earth orbit satellites to enable secure space-to-ground IoT and machine transactions. Meanwhile, it recalibrated its approach to French quantum firm Quobly, halting majority acquisition talks while exploring a minority investment aligned with Series A financing. A move that's being framed as keeping capital discipline while preserving exposure to quantum microelectronics innovation. Across hardware, cloud, robotics, satellites, and sovereign manufacturing, SEALSQ is positioning itself as a foundational layer in the quantum era. By embedding root of trust and NIST-aligned PQC directly into silicon and extending that trust into transactional and infrastructure layers, its ambition seeks to build a, quote, quantum-resilient cryptographic nervous system for next-generation autonomous and quantum-enabled systems worldwide, making this cybersecurity creature's stock chart a must-watch on TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.